There's always pain when the heart breaks. I can't sleep, I can't eat, I wish I walked away. I was betrayed by my woman, all my love's a waste. Gonna waste, this ain't something that I wanna face. I lost my baby in the stomach, guess my blood's a waste. Daddy loves you, you ain't far away to save my place. I'll be seeing you soon, I still got things to say. I feel depressed every day, I think of getting placed. I drink a lot of liquor thinking of your little face. Your mama didn't give a fuck, she fucked the next day. I can't express all the pain in my mental state. I've cried a lot of tears, I pray that this heaven's safe. I wanna meet you but I have to put the weapon away. I fill my pages up with tears as my ink stains. The memory stays of finding it was all the waste. Just know I love you baby girl and that heaven's safe.
Circles and cycles and seasons. For everything there's always reason. But it's never good. Never turns out as it should.
And it's sad that she didn't care. When daddy got her to hospital, mama wasn't there. She packed her bags and left, and fucked around instead. I didn't even get to tell you that I loved you, damn. She didn't tell me you existed till the day you died. I know my angel flew, please let my angel fly. I can't deal with the stress, my little baby died. If you only knew the pain, my heart's dead inside. All the tears I've cried, I can't let it slide. I'm thinking suicide, this ain't a game, it's real life. I can't express my pride. She killed us both cause I'm dead inside, sick of hearing lies. But your mama wasn't fair, she didn't respect your life. So she's out on why she fucked us both, so I see you when it's time to die. Just know your daddy loves you, I'll forever ride for my unborn child, yeah.
Circles and cycles and seasons. For everything there's always reason. But it's never good. Never turns out as it should. Circles and cycles and seasons. For everything there's always reason. But it's never good. Never turns out as it should.